Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers with two contenders in the ring, the Asani Mini and the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus. Will the Asani Mini be the David to ELEGOO's Goliath? Or will ELEGOO's size and speed squash the competition? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the money. The Asani Mini will set you back $500. On the other hand, the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus is a bit pricier at $599. So if you're on a budget and need to save that extra $99 for, I don't know, a mountain of ramen noodles, Asani might have you covered. Now, Asani Mini comes with a complete starter kit, which includes a mini printer, 10 meters of PLA filament, a micro SD card pre-filled with model designs, and more accessories than a Swiss Army knife. It's like Christmas morning, but for nerds. ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus, on the other hand, skips the starter kit fanfare and goes straight to business. It's like the serious uncle who doesn't bring gifts, but shows you how to change a tire. Useful, but not as fun. Asani Mini is a petite powerhouse, measuring just 8.3 x 8.3 inches x 11.4, and weighing in at a featherlight 6.6 pounds. Perfect for your dorm room, your classroom, or even ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus? It's a beast. With a build volume of 12.59 x 12.59 inches x 15.15, it's like the Godzilla of 3D printers. You'll need a dedicated space for this bad boy, but hey, you can print a life-sized bust of yourself to keep you company. Priorities, right? Moving on to speed, the Asani Mini is no slouch, but it's like a Prius on a Sunday drive, compared to the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus. ELEGOO boasts a lightning-fast 500 millimeters per second printing speed. It's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers, leaving Asani Mini in the dust. If you're impatient and want your creations yesterday, ELEGOO's got your back. Asani Mini is all about simplicity. It's got easy auto-leveling, one-touch filament loading, and a user-friendly 2.4 inches LCD screen. Even your grandma could use it, and she still thinks the internet is a series of tubes. ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus is more like a high-performance sports car. It's got direct drive extruders, high-temp nozzles, and even acceleration sensors. It's like, hey, I'm sophisticated and fast, but you better know what you're doing. Finally, let's talk connectivity. Asani Mini offers Wi-Fi and is compatible with a bunch of slicing software like Cura and Simplify 3D. It's like the social butterfly of 3D printers. ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus doesn't just stop at Wi-Fi. It also has USB and LAN options. It's like the Swiss Army knife of connectivity. You can start your print job with just a one-key file transfer. Fancy, right? Reviewers have praised the Asani Mini for its ease of use, making it an excellent choice for beginners and young creators. It's compact, quiet, and comes with a complete starter kit, making it a hit among parents and novice users. On the other hand, the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus is revered for its speed, large build volume, and high print quality. However, it does require more setup and maintenance, making it more suitable for advanced users who are looking for performance and versatility. So who's the winner? Well, it depends on what you need. If you're a newbie or want something compact and user-friendly, the Asani Mini is your go-to. But if you're looking for speed, size, and sophistication, ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus is your champion. Either way, you can't go wrong. Thanks for watching, smart shoppers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.